Have a good day, madam. I'm Ms. Winky Bertiz. I'm 46 years old. I live in Piña, Rizal, Philippines. I'm a single mom. I have 2 kids, ages 17 and 12. I have 2 sisters and 3 brothers. I'm Catholic. I'm finished 3 years in college, taking up Bachelor of Arts, major in Economics. I have experience before as a domestic helper in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. I served 3 members of the family, 1 couple and 1 children, aged 9 years old. My duties and responsibilities is taking care of the child, cleaning the house, ironing clothes, washing clothes, and cooking. To my future employer, if you hire me, I will do my best to follow your rules and regulations. I'm trustworthy, honest, long patient, fast learner, and flexible. Thank you so much, madam.